Well, this is fall in Upper Michigan, and we have a few maple trees. That one over there is the most beautiful, but lately it's only had half of its side light up with bright red leaves. So anyway, I wanted to show that to you. Now, all of these are going to turn eventually, but that is the only one. Of course, the red ones are the first to turn and the first to fall off onto the ground. And you see, we still have some of those really old maple trees that are still growing, which drew us to this property in the first place. And so we gotta plant some more trees. It's just a matter of when. Now, if you can see, there's a white truck up at the corner. The tallest tree you can see is actually up on a hill, but the two trees that are lower than that are fairly young trees. I can say that because I was here when they were planted. Neighbor Earl planted them probably about 24 years ago, I'm thinking. Yeah, maybe less. I don't know.